Hey guys, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Starting on the transom of the boat, we got a Mercury 300 Verado in white. This is a new V8 motor from them. The ivory interior, it's beautiful with this gray sea deck flooring. Walking in, you see we have a ski pole on the transom, large L seating on the port side. There is a table that goes into that base down there. Starboard side seat where you can fit 2 to 3 adults comfortably. It's got the white powder coat top with the blue bimini top to match the exterior of the boat, which is a blue. It's got the digital dash, 9-inch Simrad screen, GPS and a fish finder, Fusion Bluetooth stereo, digital throttle, digital shift. This boat is also equipped with trim tabs. Let's move forward and take a look in the head compartment. We do have a marine pump out head, a freshwater sink. Then moving forward, expansive amount of seating with another table base. Here it does have a full boat cover. Guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax, Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070.